There are many products available to choose backpacking stoves, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best backpacking stoves from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Soto Windmaster. From the first time we fired up the Soto Windmaster, we were surprised by its respectable performance across all metrics. The piezoelectric igniter works almost every time, a rarity among auto igniters. The 4 flex pot supports provide generous stability for pans of all sizes. Even burly 2-liter pots won't threaten this stove's stability. The Windmaster produces a smoldering blue flame that boils water quickly and lends to above-average fuel efficiency. However, the most noteworthy feature of this stove is its impressive wind resistance. In an 8 to 10 mph breeze, this thing stays lit and can even boil water. This backpacking stove performs so well that we have very few gripes about it. That said, the high-octane flame comes at the expense of your peace. This stove is a little loud, though certainly not the loudest in this review. The Windmaster is also not the most compact of the stoves we tested. Number 2. Soto Amicus. The Soto Amicus is an attempt at making an affordable ultralight stove that lives up to the company's reputation. Not only did Soto achieve their goal, they surpassed it. This stove is very fuel efficient and is compact enough that you won't notice it in your pack. The piezoelectric igniter worked most of the time to light the stove, and the recessed burner ensures that it performs well in variable weather. The pot supports are generous enough to accommodate most 1-liter pots and even hold our 1.7-liter kettle with 1 liter of water without threatening to topple over. Our gripes with the Amicus are minor. The high-powered burner means this stove is a little loud, though nothing unusual. The pot supports pivot around a spring rivet mechanism that may wear out or get grimy over time, but this wasn't an issue during our testing. The pot supports were also not as wide as some small canister stoves. Number 3. BRS 3000 Trillions. We had low expectations for the BRS 3000 Trillions due to its low price. Straight out of the box, we were shocked by its size. This is tiny, and it weighs next to nothing. It can fit comfortably in any ultralight hiker's 375 milliliters titanium cup. Despite the diminutive size, this stove sports a wire valve that's easy to use and provides nice low-end flame control for simmering. The pot supports are also sturdier than they appear. They hold a 1.7-liter stainless steel kettle with a liter of water without any issues. Several consumer reviews mention a durability problem with melting pot supports. Though we haven't personally experienced this issue, we acknowledge that high-end quality control can't be expected when a product is significantly less expensive than the competition. While the BRS has good flame control, the burner head is tiny, so be attentive to avoid burning rice and beans or scorching the bottom of your pot. Number 4. MSR PocketRocket Deluxe. There might be lighter weight stoves on the market, but the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe strikes the best balance between a high-performing stove with excellent simmer control, fast boil times, and an ultralight option for gram-counting aficionados. The large regulator knob is easy to use with or without gloves, and it fits well in most pots with a small fuel canister. The piezo igniter is somewhat inconsistent on the PocketRocket Deluxe. Our reviewers found that it worked most of the time but would occasionally experience low functionality, a common plight with auto igniters. This stove also has fairly average fuel efficiency, likely due to having high output burners. This means the stove will boil water quickly in various conditions, but might burn through more canisters. For a more fuel-efficient option with a reliable piezo igniter, we love the Soto Windmaster. Number 5. JetBoil MiniMo. The JetBoil MiniMo is our favorite integrated canister stove. JetBoil stoves have always included a confidence-inspiring burner-to-pot connection, and that's true here. Previously, piezoelectric igniters were a known failure point. However, our testers used the igniter hundreds of times with no issues on this model. The main improvement with the Mo is a redesigned burner that boils quickly and more efficiently than other models. This one is the best at simmering among the integrated canister stoves in our review, owing to greater fuel valve control. The short and squat profile of the pot makes it easier to avoid scorching your meals and lends stability to the design. With all these features combined, you could even use it to cook a real one-pot meal in the backcountry. The MiniMo stays lit and boils water at wind speeds that would have most backpackers hiding in their tents. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.